Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start working in this car today. I gotta go to my wife, the boss, now and make the parts order for this. She's not gonna like the idea, but anyway, we're gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna remove this bumper right now. This bracket underneath here is broken, so I'm gonna try to repair this bracket if I can, because it runs about 150 bucks for the whole bracket. So if I can repair this bracket, then I'm gonna save a little bit of money. We're also gonna try to polish all these lights to see if we can save these lights at the same time. So right now we're gonna taking the bumper out. We're gonna have to take the car to paint, to the paint anyway. So we're gonna remove the bumper. We're gonna need to remove the bumper to do that. So I'm gonna help out the painter a little bit by removing the bumper. Okay. So the bumper's out. So yeah. Yeah, I think we can repair it. I think we can patch it up, put it together, and rig it so it will look good, and it could be a good finished product. It's repairable, so we can repair it. Alrighty, so we got the bumper out. We're gonna now let's take this out. We gotta straighten the bumper out so we can take it to the painter. And let's take this out, and we're gonna mount the hood. Actually, I have a hood here available that we're gonna install now. We got a yellow hood, but the car needs to be painted anyway, so I'm just gonna mount it. I'm gonna mount the hood because we're gonna drive it to the shop, the paint shop. So I don't want to drive it without the hood. I mean, most of the time when these cars get into an accident, so especially in the front, those hinges, they bend very easily. Hopefully this is not the case in this. Something, I don't know what happened with this car, but it came with the hood missing, and somebody hit it in the front, and it just messed up the hood, and they just tear the hood apart. Hopefully, I'm hoping that those hinges, they're still straight, and that way we can save a little bit of money. Yeah, let's take that bracket out so we can repair the bracket. Okay, that was familiar, please. All right, so let's let me go and get the hood, and then we'll put the hood on and try it, okay?